Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a Google Meet meeting link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Meet app and tap where it says New Meeting. Then, from the menu that pops up, tap on Get a Meeting Link to Share. If you tap this icon after the link, it will copy the link. You can then paste the link wherever you like. Or if you would like to instantly share the link within a message, you can tap the Share Invite button. Now you have the option to share it via Messenger or WhatsApp, or to your notes, etc. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Meet tips and tricks.